You ask a question in class, and the same three hands always go up. The rest? Avoiding eye contact. And in that moment, you wonder, are you really teaching or just talking to the wall? Well, not anymore. With Extra Intelligence Together mode, every student becomes part of the learning process. Your regular lessons, tests, and even simple questions can be turned into fully interactive sessions. The best part? Using it is extremely easy. Just log into www.extramarks.com or the Extramarks teaching app and turn on Together mode with your interactive content. It randomly picks students, gives everyone a turn at the smartboard, and keeps the whole class engaged. And in no time, the class is alive, learning, participating, collaborating. Feels good, doesn't it? Well, that's Extra Intelligence at work. From avoiding eye contact to everyone joining in. That's what teaching and learning together feels like.